Hey folks, Rich here, and I'm getting ready to clean out my rocket mass heater, which is something I do daily, and I typically do it in the morning, but now we're getting in, it's April now, and it's later in the season, it's warmer days, and so instead of burning all day, I'm just burning as needed. So for cooking, I'm about to make some yogurt, so I need to boil some water and heat up the milk and like that. But typically throughout the winter, I'll just burn throughout the day and, and then go to bed, wake up in the morning, and then I'll clean out the ashes. I know some folks go longer than a day than cleaning out, but that's my pattern, my cycle. But here's kind of what it looks like for me, and I just use this big putty knife, and I scrape the ashes up to the front of the J tube here, and then I just use a coffee cup to scoop out the ashes. And I have a metal barrel, small metal barrel here, and I dump the ashes into there. And I'll get 3 to 4 scoops of ash, cap it up, and I'll show you how I light a fire. I like to prepare my kindling, and I have a big stock of it, and here's some of it here, but I use about this much kindling. Drop it in, put it towards the front, if there is a front, maybe the back of the heater. And then with well-dried kindling, it's real easy to just use. I almost always use just a single piece of paper. Drop that in, and use my torch here. Just give it a quick tap, and we're off to the races. So there it goes, and with really dry kindling, one piece of paper is all you need to really make it happen. And there you go. And this will heat up, and I'll throw in some bigger wood in a few minutes, and it's as simple as that. Rarely do I have to futz with it any more than that. On occasion, but mostly that's how it goes down. And that's how you clean and light a rocket mass heater.